Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the sign-in on YouTube for iOS 6. So first up, what you want to do is go to your Cydia app and just give it a sec to load. You want to go to Sources, scroll down, and you want to enter Preloading's repository. It's available at this URL right here, so you can pause the screen if you haven't added it yet. But if you have, now you just want to go in and install the tube replacer tweak. However, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. But yeah, just go here and then up in this button here will be installed. So after you respring your device, you just want to go down to settings and just make sure the tube replacer preference panel is there. And then you don't have to configure anything because it'll already have it all filled in for you. So all you have to do now is go to your YouTube app, then you want to tap sign in here. Whoops, sign in. It's going to show loading, and then you just want to sign into your account as you would on a computer. So just give me a sec, let me sign in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my password. Alright, and you should be signed into YouTube. So yeah, you're going to be able to see your subscriptions. So for example, I can go to the Mr. Epic, I can unsubscribe, subscribe back to him, and it is a little buggy, but you know, I still think it's a really cool app. Let me lower down the brightness just a little bit. But yeah, you can just scroll through and, you know, view all your favorite channels. So well, let's see, can I open a video here?
So for the past 6 months to about a year, I've been working on this really long, hard project of trying to completely fill out a sketchbook.
And yeah, you can like, dislike, I mean, everything works. Well, most things work, but let's do tests. And yep, that works too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be back, or maybe in a few months, but I just wanted to release this to you guys, or show you how to do it, because I thought it was really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.